where form begins and sound learns how to wait. It carries thought and living tone before the word is heard, a woven thread through worlds unseen, where silence shapes the word. In the ether sound is born before all form and name. A living current guides the soul through stillness into flame. When listening turns within the heart, the higher voice is clear. The word that shapes the universe is quietly drawn near. This hearing moves beyond the ears, beyond the pull of noise. It learns to know the inner call and separate the voice from outer clamor, fleeting sound. The guiding tone is known, a steady word of living truth that speaks when all is shown. Sound is born before all form and name. A living current guides the soul through stillness into flame. When listening turns within the heart, the higher voice is clear. The word that shapes the universe is quietly drawn near. The eternal tone, the subtle paths appear. The self moves freely through the realms where weight and fear are clear. Through sacred sound, through inner tune, the worlds fall into line. The earthly fades, the finer grows by a rhythm so divine. Mastery of the unseen field brings harmony and peace. The spiritual self now hears the truth where all division ceased. Through sound aligned with living law and silence fully known, the soul moves gently into light and claims its higher home.